What is up, Sideways fam? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in Eddie's Mark IV Supra, the 1,000 horsepower Supra right now. I'm going to be going and taking the car for a test drive. Everything is all finished. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that just everything's all right. We're going to go do some testing tonight, to do quick little pulls in it. I'm probably going to have my boy get a reaction video in the car with Eddie. Be kind of fun. I think it'll be kind of a funny video. We're going to go to some Korean barbecue right now and eat with the homies. Long day of work, a lot of effort, a lot of stuff went into building this car. So let's go ahead and get over there safely. I'm testing out a bunch of new stuff that I've never tested myself. I've never been in a car this fast in my life. So we're going to take it easy. I'm not trying to die. Got kids to go home to. So let me go ahead and put the camera and let's go ahead and get to Eddie's gym and to Eddie's house and the whole entire thing we're going to do tonight. So let's go. Right hand drive. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yep. All I can say is that the response in this thing is ridiculous. Before we had the twin turbo LSD in this thing, and it was just so bad. The 3.266 is just not where it's at with this transmission. So it's kind of crazy right now because we just swapped in the 408 setup, and dude, like just any freaking gas you give this thing, it just like starts to move like with very little anything. Like usually with turbo cars it's like that, it's good shit, you know what I mean? But like this is just a whole nother level. I think he's gonna be so happy. We're driving to Eddie's house right now, and then we're gonna go figure out what the deal's gonna be. But I mean, I think this is gonna be a pretty cool video, pretty insane. So let me get there safely and get off the phone while I'm driving. Look at what this guy gets to have in his garage, bro. Look at this. Whew. Well, let's go see what she does.
You be down to doing illegal, right?
I'm with Eddie right now. We're gonna go ahead and see. I guess do a little bit of testing. Hopefully he doesn't kill me right now.
I'm shifting at like 55.
Oh my god, this is a bad roller coaster ride. Oh man, what did I sign up for?
It definitely feels.
I wanted to be in the other car.
Clutch feels better.
Oh god.
Anti-lag still work?
Yeah, but what are you gonna do? Kill him? Kill the people next to him? Don't hit the anti-lag, dude. Not without the fucking the bead lockers on it, dude. I don't want to die.
What?
Not without the Mickeys. I don't want to die.
I spent like a 2-cent.
Oh yeah. I know. Oh fuck no. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No, we're good. Oh my god, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Fucking tits. Tits, I tell you.
Scared right now, bro.
I drive every day to work.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. No. Definitely not doing that again.
I think we touched 160, 165.
So we went to Eddie's gym. It's right there. We are gonna go have some Korean barbecue.
Fucking luck keeping up with that shit.
Dude, this shit is out of control.
I hit like 140 in my mom's car.
This shit's out out of control.
So
bro.
compared to before, then what do you think now?
Oh my god, it's night and day. It's like, I don't know, it's just so much more responsive.
It feels like an exotic now when you drive the car.
Feels-
Like 100% better.
It just
So
feels just so peppy and like powerful. I bought this Supra sushi.
Supra's the sushi.
Not at the bottom because all the keys there. Instead of rising up through your mother.
when the gym is empty and we're inside looking for zip ties. Never see it like this anymore, or ever whenever I come here. Such a badass gym, dude. Alrighty guys, this is gonna go ahead and conclude the video. Went ahead and had some fun. Got the car to Eddie. He was super ecstatic, super happy with everything. Got to do some rips. Gavin got to feel the 1,000 horsepower Supra. I got to definitely feel it. I wasn't planning on even going in the car in the first place, but kind of ended up happening that way. I'll go ahead and go home and get some rest. So, till next time guys, I hope you guys appreciated it. Peace.